tell Daddy, Simone. He's gonna sing.
Daddy, good luck.
What else?
Louder. So
What?
the judges won't hear you.
Good luck to you. The family stay with me. You may step on stage. Thank you. Good luck. Thanks.
What's your name?
My name is Russell.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
TFC Canada ka naman?
Opo.
Kahawig niya si Richard Poon. Galingan mo, Russell.
Eh
Go!
di, ano,
Salamat po.
sige, sige.
Kahirap pala umibig sa di tamang panahon. Kung bakit ngayon ko lang natagpuan ang isang katulad mo. Sana noon pa kita nakilala. Sana noon pa lang na ang puso ay malaya pang magmahal. O bukas na lang kita mamahalin, sabay sa paglaya ng ating mga puso. O bukas na lang kita. O bukas na lang kita. O bukas na lang kita. Mamahalin.
Papa Russell, I have a question. Are you suffering from a cough and a cold?
I have laryngitis right now.
That's why.
Nag-jeep kasi po ako.
Nag-jeep?
Oh, there was one time po nag-jeep ako. Ang usok pala po sobra. Pagkatulog ko po ng gabi, pagising ko, wala po lahat ng usok.
Oo. Tsaka syempre iba yung weather dito kaysa Canada.
Halatang paos pero kinaya pa rin. Bongga! And you have yung pagkanta mo may seductive quality. Yun yung gusto natin sa mga balladeers natin. It's like when they're singing, they're making love to us.
And Russell, yung pagkakanta mo ay pusong-puso. Sumakit nga puso ko ngayon eh. Alam mo ba kung bakit?
Bakit po?
Dahil unti-unti ka nang umukit sa aking dibdib.
Russell, ang Filipino songs are full of emotions, di ba? I'm sure marami kang papaibiging babae pag kumakanta ka.
Thank you po.
No, he's married na.
Eh, Megan, you're married?
May asawa at anak ka na.
Ah, talaga? Oo.
Daw, nandyan.
Chris Aquino lang.
Oh.
Hindi, nandyan? Nandyan wife mo?
Yes, nandun po siya with my daughter, Simone.
Ay, may
Simone.
daughter. Ay, ang
Yeah.
cute.
Ay, ang cute ng daughter. Fairness.
Come in.
Oo, okay lang.
Hi,
Sige.
family. Bibigyan kita ng yes.
Thank you very much.
Ako, enormously yes.
Yes.
Maraming salamat.
Uy, magpagaling ka ng ano mo, ha?
Partida na. Walang boses, ha? Pero ang ganda ng...
Patience, you survive. You may kiss your bride. Don't kiss me, I'm fine. Congratulations, it's worth the heartache and pain, and get well soon, man.